Hello and welcome to the video on how to calculate your grades in this class. If you log into Blackboard and go into this class down here, there's going to be a video link here. This is what I'm doing now, but it says how to calculate your average in this class. So we got to download the spreadsheet and enter your grades into it, and it will calculate on a running average your grades all the way through the semester, so you always know where you're at. The exams are 300 points apiece, so when you finish the midterm, that's going to bump your score up really if you do real well on that. So it changes, but I mean, you could be running 100% and then miss a bunch and it's going to drop, right? Now, most of your grades are going to be in SimNet, 99% of them. But there are some that are going to be in Blackboard. One is the weekly discussion question, which I'll show you in other videos. And there are 3 writing assignments, which are bonus points. And then there's the course survey, which comes out about midterm. So you'll have some grades in here, but not very many. And you have a grade book in here as well. So in Blackboard, it's under My Grades is where you go. So every time you get a score, whether it's in SimNet or Blackboard, you need to enter it into this spreadsheet. So let's go ahead and download it. There's the link. This is an Excel spreadsheet. Just right-click on it if you're in Google Chrome, which you should be, and save link as. Now, in other videos, I've showed you that you need a directory, but if you haven't done it, let's go ahead and do it. You can do it on your hard drive, or you can do it on an external device, whatever you want to do on the cloud. It's up to you, just so you know where it's at. So what we want to do here is we want to create a new directory, call it CIS 146. All right. You'll have directories for your projects and so forth, but let's create one called Gradebook. You'll have other directories on there is what I'm saying. Or grade calculator. That's what it is. Now remember, you got a grade book in SimNet. I'll show you that in a little bit, but it's obvious where it is. So that's where let's put this. So we'll always know where it is. So now if I go to File Manager and go, mine's on the C drive. So that's 146 grade calculator, and there it is. All right, so let's open that up real quick. Now you can only, put data in this points earned, okay? This is all locked out. As you can see, we got the overview, the using the library, projects, lessons, etc., how to take a test in SimNet. That's all second week stuff. Of course, you can work ahead if you want. And it says discussion question week 1. So these are worth 5 points apiece. So if you get the full credit on it, you're going to put your grades in here. Now you'll be looking in the SimNet grade book, so to start with. So let's go to the SimNet grade book. I don't have it open, so let me do that real quick. It's wallace.simnetonline.com. And let me come in as a student so it'll look kind of like what yours looks like. All right, now we're in assignments. So the second week you'll go in here, and you're going to be going by the Monday memo, but primarily by the printable course schedule in Blackboard. So you've already watched the video on that, hopefully. If not, it's the first week assignments. So we got the overview, I've got the lessons, I've got the using the library, how to take a SimNet test, and then this is the lesson. So these are videos is what they are. Okay, they link to YouTube, you just watch them. And then this is a 15-point assignment right here. And I've got a video on how to do the lessons and how to do projects and all that. That's all first week assignments, so you should have that behind you by now. If you don't, if you're watching this before you watch your first week, then you wouldn't have known that, but that's what we're doing. Okay, so when you finish, there's up here in this top right corner is a grades link. See that? That's a grade book. Now, I haven't done anything because it's my account, but every time you finish one of these, you'll have points over here, all right? You want to enter the points from here, not the percentage that you get when you finish something. Then when you go to the grade book, it'll have the actual points in here. Some, like these assignments are worth 5 points. The guided project's worth 15 points, and the independent project's worth 20 points. So you'll have all those points in here. You see what I'm saying? So every time you get a grade, you open up your spreadsheet right here, all right, and you put your points in. So let's say that we finished the second week, and discussion question is worth 10 points, and this one's worth 15. All right. See, it's showing you. So if you get full points, now you might not get full points. You have to put in what your final grade is. Some of these you can do over and over again, like the projects, okay, until you get them right. And I discussed that in the video. If you come down here, you'll see we're running 100% right now. Grade as of today. And that's what that's doing for you. It's got everything in here. It's got your discussion questions, your writing assignment bonus. There's your course survey bonus. So the writing assignments I have set up in blue. The regular assignments for SimNet are in black. And the course surveys and the writing assignments are in red. So remember, this is how you calculate your grade in here. And so it's incumbent upon you to make sure you keep this up to date so you know what your score is. Because if you send me an email asking me what your grade is, here it is right here. This is what you're supposed to be doing. This is your responsibility. It's easy to do. You don't have to do any math. You just put the points in and you see what your percentage is, okay? And that's basically it. Have a good day.